about the single most important step you can take to be skillful in human relations is for you to master the art of being agreeable. Do you ever feel unsure of how to show that you agree with what someone is saying? Well, it's not always enough, or it's not always appropriate to simply say yes. There are many occasions where you need to show how strongly you agree with someone, or you got to explain why you agree. There are many different words and phrases that you can use to agree with than affirmative statement. Truly, this is one of the gems of wisdom of all time. Probably nothing will help you so much in your lifetime as this easy-to-do technique of being agreeable. Always remember that anyone can disagree with anybody. It takes a wise, intelligent man, a big man, to agree particularly with the other person if the other person is wrong. The art of being agreeable will need constant effort on your part. Let's understand how to do that like a boss.